you decide to red or one? One? Okay. Okay. One. Are you ready?
I have one mouse in one hand. I sit in one house in one room and one hand. One father, one mother, in half, one baby, one sister, one brother, and me. I love them all, and they love me, and we are a family. Free and
We are one family, right? So tell me, who is this?
father,
Father, who is this?
mother,
Well done. And
baby,
and
sister,
sister and
brother.
who's the brother? Oh, Kody. Kody, look at me. How many noses do you have? How many? One. Yes, let's say I have
one
nose.
nose.
How many hands do you have?
I have head.
But how many? I have one head. Well done. Okay, so here we have many sounds. We have 10 little monkeys. Hello. Where? Goodbye song, alphabet song, good morning song, or 5 little elephants. Do you understand this one? Alphabet song. Okay, are you ready?
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, Z, W, X, Y, Z. Now they know our ABCs. Can we sing them once more, please? A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, Z, W, X, Y, Z. Now they know our ABCs. Can we sing once more, please?
Nice, Kody. And now Kody, can you find letter D? Where's the letter D? Can you point to letter D? Where's the letter D? D. This one or this one? Which one? D.
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 Yes, this one. D. Yes, D. And can you find letter F? F. 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 Yes, what's the letter F? F. Good. Where's the letter N? Good job. Letter N. Where's the letter K? Good job. K. Where's the letter Z? Well done, Kody. Okay. So now, Kody, can you write letter D? Write.
D.
Good job. D. Can you write letter F? Well done. Once more time. Can you write letter N? Can you write letter K? Can you write letter Z? Well done, Kody. And Kody, we have 3 poems: Friends, Monkey, and Zoo. Which one do you want to say? Zoo. Okay, can you get it? Yes, zoo. Get it, Kody? Good job. Yes, here you are. We have
Zoo. I like the animals at
now this is the
kangaroo.
kangaroo. This is the
Zebra.
this is the
Family.
zoo. And now, Kody, do you like to go to the zoo? Yes.
I do.
What animals do you like?
I like tiger.
Oh, you like tigers? Well done. I like rabbits. Do you like rabbits?
Yeah.
True, yes, you like rabbits too. So I have many stories here. It's time for a story. Do you want to say what do you see? Animals play. Family at the zoo. Family and friends. Which one?
At the zoo.
A family at the zoo. Okay, so let's see. A family at the zoo. Here. Are you ready? Let's say
Family at the zoo.
I
I like
to go.
go to the zoo. My family likes to go to the zoo. I sing the monkey and horse play. We sing the birds sing. I see a bear sleeping on the grass. The family sees a bear. The bear lives in a bar. My father sees a gorilla sitting on a rock. My mother sees a baby gorilla. I see a sister.
Yeah, my sister sees
a panda on a tree.
the girls.
Nine pandas.
My
My father sees a tiger in a glass.
the boys.
Nine tigers. I see a tiger lion. I see a mother lion.
Do you see the baby lion? You see? And see
The pig family
of
of hippos. The
the
hippos
walk.
in the circle.
My
My family
has
have fun at the zoo.
the
Animals play
fun
at the zoo.
We say
Bye to the zoo.
so now, tell me, what does the father see?
A gorilla sits on a rock.
Oh, the father sees a gorilla sitting on the rock. How about the mother? What does the mother see?
A baby gorilla.
Well done. And what does the sister see?
A panda.
Where is the panda?
Panda in on the tree.
It's under the tree. What does the brother see?
A tiger.
Where is the tiger?
Where is tiger